Hi, my name is Mohnish Jaiswal, and I am going to address an economic problem which India is currently facing. It is about poor educational standards in India, which is leading to the economic problem for the country. India has a positive demographic opportunity with half of its population in the working age group. Needless to say, education is tool required to realize this demographic potential. Along with childhood nutrition, healthcare, and good mentoring, quality schooling forms the basis of ensuring all-round development for a person. Quality of education depends on infrastructure such as classrooms, water, and sanitization facilities, availability of electricity, provision for digital learning, sports equipment and facilities, availability of chairs and desks, and softer elements such as presence of school staff, professional competencies of teachers, access to books and learning materials, among others. I would like to address few of the problems India is facing in the progress of education. First, which I believe is the lack of funds. The lack of sufficient funds is the main problem in the development of education. Due to insufficient funds, most educational institutes lack infrastructure, science equipment, and libraries, etc. Due to this reason, desired results cannot be achieved. Secondly, higher education is expensive. University, professional, and technical education has become costly in India. Fee structure of technical and professional institutes like IIMs is quite high. IIMs charge approximately rupees 2 lakh per trimester for MBA classes. It is beyond the reach of common man. I, myself, who is paying hefty fees with towering loan on me, is the live example who will be paying the loan back for quite a few years. Privatization of higher education has also been the reason of education being so expensive. One other problem India is facing that people are going abroad to seek jobs as they are not getting suitable jobs in the country. Also, when they are not able to get into desired institution and can afford to study abroad, does so either thereby resulting in brain drain at a massive scale. Also, there is growing illiteracy in the country. Even now, 35% people remain illiterate. In India, the number of illiterates is almost one third of the total illiterates in the world. In addition to this, the dropout rate is very high in primary and secondary level. Most of the students in 16 to 14 age groups leave the school before completing their education. It leads to wastage of financial as well as human resources. Lastly, our primary education is ridden with too many problems. Large number of primary schools has no buildings. What to talk of basic facilities like drinking water, urinals, and electricity, furniture, and study materials, etc. Large numbers of primary schools are single teacher schools, and many schools are even without teachers. So the drop rate is very high and a cause of concern for the government as well. I would like to conclude by saying that even though there is increase in institutions and teachers, but qualitative wise, we are lagging far behind. Thank you.